The new Sidekick LX from T-Mobile is the biggest upgrade the Sidekick has gotten in ages. This is still a pretty big handheld, as you can see in this comparison against a BlackBerry Pearl, but you're getting an 854 by 480 screen and a really roomy keyboard for the size. The new Sidekick comes with a pretty good Facebook application. You can check your friends' status updates, you can look at pictures, answer friend requests, read comments, or do most of the stuff that you would do with Facebook on the desktop. Okay, maybe you can't play Zombie Wars or whatever, but you can at least see the various things that plugins have added to people's news feeds. The Sidekick also supports Myspace and Twitter. We'll see the Twitter client in a minute. Of course, the Sidekick also supports various push email accounts, instant messaging, and text messaging. That stuff isn't integrated with Facebook, though. The Facebook client has threaded messaging so that you can follow a conversation, and it supports pretty much most used Facebook features. As you can see, you can look at all of your embarrassing Facebook photos as well as upload your own photos and videos from the Sidekick's 3.2 megapixel camera. You can also upload stuff directly to YouTube if you want to. Yeah, I don't know if he really wants that shown on camera. The new Sidekick has a familiar wheel-like interface that Sidekicks have had for years. Here's the Twitter client. As you can see, it's pretty feature-rich. It lets you check out who you're following, your list of followers, and what everybody's doing. The Twitter client, along with the new Microsoft Exchange support, may help drive the Sidekick to a much wider audience than its traditional crowd, who is much more focused on MySpace and text messaging. I've heard people say that Twitter is the social network for old people, so we'll see if this raises the average age of the Sidekick buyer. The Sidekick's web browser is decent, even if it's not the world's best, but it's been really enhanced by using T-Mobile's new 3G network instead of Edge. As you can see, it's got some issues with JavaScript. Scripts stall sometimes, but pages generally look pretty great on the 854 by 480 screen. You can see the full width of a desktop page. You can even call up a little mini-map version of your page to help you navigate. You'll see that in a minute. We'll have a full review of the Sidekick LX sometime in May on PCMag.com. The Sidekick LX will be available on May 13th from T-Mobile. It'll be $199 as an upgrade for existing owners, but $249 for new buyers. This is Sasha Segan and PJ Jacobowitz with PCMag.com with the Sidekick LX.